Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 KTM Adventure R 790. This twin cylinder dual sport badass just arrived with only 8,200 miles on it. It's got some gnarly dual sport tires, aero exhaust, ABS brakes, traction control. This thing it's got 93 horsepower and only weighs 420 pounds. I mean, this is a badass machine. Come on by, make your 790 Adventure R dreams come true for just $12,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.